In each office, in each house, you have a piece of furniture that you can rest your arms on it in order to do some push-ups, okay? We are again in the same context of being at home, working at home, or working at the office. You feel like you need to stretch a bit your pecs because they are a bit tight. You want to get this kind of fitness, but you want to do it step by step, because in order to run a marathon, you need to do it, one day 100 meters, another day another 100 meters, until, step by step, you start picking up and you do the 42 kilometers, probably in 6 months, probably in 1 year. This is the same. If you want to be fitter, just do little things. Just every day choose something different and something that brings you joy. The joy is very, very important. I cannot stop saying that. Okay, let's do the push-ups because, again, it's very easy to get fit, and especially for your pecs, to get a bit stronger. And when you feel like, and you can combine all the time, all of the exercise.